everyone, and welcome back once again after a short break which we took for exams. I am Manshri Rastogi of class 9 and I am your reporter of the week for Campus Chronicles. So stay tuned with me for more glimpses from our campus. Activities are always an interesting way to learn. So, to inculcate speaking skills and develop psychomotor skills in the students, the school has organized an intra-class show and tell activity for classes nursery and prep. In the activity, few children were carrying props and they were describing it. Description about the objects from the mouth and tiny thoughts is really very lucrative. Science is fun and the best way of learning is to learn through activities. So, the students of pre-primary were demonstrated the wet and dry concept through an activity. The smiling little faces were brimming with excitement. It seems they not also learn something new but also enjoy this phase of learning. Nurture curiosity and enhance awareness about the world among young learners in a fun and interactive way. Might from very young age, the school organized intra-class GK quiz competition for classes first and second. The quiz was conducted in a multiple and engaging rounds such as identify the pictures, true or false, rapid fire and MCQs. Topics included animals, national symbols, famous personalities, festivals, etc. Children participated with great zeal and displayed impressive knowledge, presence of mind. The competition not only boosted their confidence but also encouraged them to stay curious and updated. Competition was conducted in two categories, English and Hindi, with students showcasing impressive articulation, creativity and confidence in both the languages. The panel of judges included teachers from English and Hindi departments who evaluated the students based on context, fluency, body language and overall impact. Next segment was Inter-House Weave and Tale segment, which aimed at developing storytelling skills in young minds and simultaneously preserving this medium of learning. Promote spontaneous thinking and fluent speaking among students. An English and Hindi extempore competition was organized in the school on 24 July 25. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation from students of classes 3rd to 5th. Participants were given a wide range of topics and each was allotted a few minutes for preparation followed by a 2-minute speech. In any field desires hard work, devotion and persistent effort. Another moment filled with pride was witnessed by the school. A student Preeni Sharma of class 5th participated in Little Masters chess competition held on 20 July 25 in Vidya World School, organized by LOL After School and King Chess Academy. She won the Best Girl Award under 10 category. Participants were given prompts on the spot and had to weave a compelling and original tale within a given time period. The stories reflected imagination, structure and expression, leaving the audience spellbound. Presentation is much more than just speaking in front of an audience. It is a powerful tool for communication, learning and influence. So, as to improve this tool, the school organized an inter-house sharp talk competition for classes 9 to 12. The event aimed at fostering entrepreneurial thinking among students. Presentation is much more than just speaking in front of an audience. It is a powerful tool for communication, learning and influence. So, as to improve this tool, the school organized an inter-house Shark Tank competition for classes 9 to 12. The event aimed at fostering entrepreneurial thinking among students. Young innovators from each house presented their startup ideas with confidence and flair, from AI-based apps to eco-friendly solutions. The students showcased a range of innovative projects. They pitched their ideas to a panel of mock investors with impressive business acumen and enthusiasm. Innovators from each house presented their startup ideas with confidence and flair, from AI-based apps to eco-friendly solutions. The students showcased a range of innovative projects. They pitched their ideas to a panel of mock investors with impressive business acumen and enthusiasm.
The ceremony began with the traditional lighting of the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing the triumph of knowledge and wisdom. This was followed by floral tribute to Ma Saraswati, a soulful Ganesh Vandana dance performance presented by the students of the school, invoking blessings for the success of the event. The tournament was officially declared open with the unveiling of the chessboard and inaugural move by the chief guest. The cymbals act was followed by the announcement of the matches, filling the air with anticipation and participation.
The 2 days of the third inter-school chess championship were filled with some brilliant performances and zealous participation. No game can ever be a success without proper mentorship. So with this thought, all the team members and arbiters were rewarded by respective sir with a token of appreciation in the form of a gift. The prize distribution ceremony was filled with lots of enthusiasm. The winners were overwhelmed as their intellect had really brought them rewards. They were beaming with joy on receiving the trophies and certificates.
The winner of Mr. Shiv
No game can ever be a success without proper mentorship. So with this thought, all the team managers and arbiters were rewarded by our respective principal ma'am with a token of appreciation in the form of a gift. Along with the individual prizes, there were also prizes for the best school. The teams led by their team manager were filled with pride on receiving the honor. As a part of tradition of Mother Rose India Public School, the Reverend Chief Guest SP Traffic Mohammad Akmal Khan was gifted a memento as a token of thanks for his gracious presence.